Are you planning to go to Saudi Arabia on a visit visa and wondering, can I work there? This video will clear up all the confusions and save you from making a costly mistakes. We'll explain who can work, who cannot, and how to legally get a job in Saudi Arabia step by step. So let's begin. Who can work on a Saudi Arabia on the visit visa? So you have a visit visa, either it's a 30 days, it's a multiple entry visa, but it's a visit visa. So if you can work on it or not, so let's start. Who can work on the visit visa? First thing is that you can work on the Saudi visit visa single or multi entry. The answer is no. Saudi visit visas are banned strictly for the short term, non working visas such as visiting your family or friends, attending non labor business meetings, sightseeing or